Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. After a long time we are doing it live. Uh, you can go ahead and post all your doubts in the chat section, okay, where all the doubts would be clarified. And I'm going to, as usual, give you one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session. That is 31st of January. This would be the last day of January's trading, friends. Okay, I hope everything is normal and you people are able to see what exactly is going on. And before we start, just like we start in the school, we will do our regular prayer, which is our opening music, and there it comes. In the meantime, those of us who are coming late can also join the channel, friends. So friends, welcome back to our channel. Now see friends, Nifty and Banknifty first, and before that let's talk about our yesterday's stocks. In yesterday's session friends, we had given ITC for a buy, and you see ITC gave a breakout. This was your first target, this area. Okay, from there it retraced. Okay, re-entry was done here, and this was your second target, the top, and it broke the second target, went up, and our technical target was much above. I told you that that kind of target is not possible in one day. You can see this was your technical target after the breakout, and I told you that that kind of target is not possible. Exit somewhere here, and that's exactly what happened. From there it started falling. Now what next? You can see that this particular trend line that we had drawn, okay, it is able to sustain that trend line. And what's next? What's another thing? If I draw Fibo from the bottom to the top, we can see that it has not touched the 61.8 levels. It's at 50% levels. Okay, so as soon as this breakout comes, we can again see good targets upside. Okay, coming to our sell stock, which was Bajaj Finserv. What happened here is, see, this is where we gave it for sell, and it straight went up above this double top. Will we sell here, friends? The answer is clearly no. We waited for a trend line. This was your trend line, and this was the retest. This was broken here, and it came back for a retest and straight down to this target. We cannot keep this as your target. This would be your next target because it has already hit this area, and after that it again went up towards this area. Now you can see this is your new trend line. Okay, see, this is your new trend line. So the stock has clearly given a breakdown like this and has slowly come to a retracement level. From here the chances of going down is the highest again. Coming back to our analysis for Nifty and Banknifty, but before that, if you have still not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you would not be missing on any update that is coming up on the channel, friends. Another thing, likes are not coming up, friends. So I'm telling you, I have to warn you now, hit that like button immediately. Okay, right now. Otherwise what is happening is you are forgetting to hit that like button. So let me put some kind of link to it. So if you don't hit the like button now, tomorrow Bank Nifty will hit your stop loss first and then go to the target. See, don't blame me if this happens. I have already told you to hit the like button. Anyways, that was on a lighter note. Coming back to Nifty and Bank Nifty, see, you can see in Nifty I have drawn this trend line already for you. Nifty has given a clear breakout of this trend line, and if I extend it, it's at a retest level. So the chances of going up from here are there. However, we cannot neglect the fact that it is in sell trend since here till here, and chances of going up till here are there, but again we can face resistance at this area. So that's how we are looking at Nifty right now. What happened to Nifty today? It gave a gap down, immediately gap filling, followed by 38.2 levels. Now let me show you the 38.2 levels here, friends. From here, if you remember in the previous video, we discussed that the chances of falling are the highest at this level. Is that what I told you? Okay, best place to sell is what I gave you was somewhere here, friends. Okay, but from here itself it turned downwards and started going down. It gave a retracement here, again fall. It made a lower low and then went up, friends, and gave a breakout of this trend line. That is important. Tomorrow we can go ahead and short at this level or at this level again, friends. Coming to Banknifty, the trend line that was there in Nifty, Banknifty has not crossed that trend line yet, and even if we draw our Fibo best friend, you can see that it is below the 38.2 levels. And if I draw Fibo like this, you can see it took its rejection exactly at 38.2 levels itself, and from there it started falling. Where did we take the trade, friends? For that we'll go for a 1 minute time frame. See, at this level, friends, I took my trade and I had this thing in my mind. See, this is called a kind of a angle, okay, a triangle. This is called a descending triangle. So it is making lower lows, lower highs and same lows, and the chances of breakdown here is the highest. As soon as the breakdown comes, what is the target, friends? Can we keep this as a target? This is a very small target. The target itself is somewhere here. It went straight down, retraced a little, and then gave us the target. After the target, it went even below the day low, and from here is what it turned upwards. Now at this level we can again choose it for a buy. Why? Simple reason, friend. Below that level there are no targets, so there is no point in any stock to go below that level to hit someone's targets or stop losses. So from here it started going up. What did we also notice? We noticed a clear, what pattern is this? Just put it in the chat so that I understand that you are listening. Anyways, so this was the pattern that was formed in Bank Nifty, and then this pattern has a target of how much? If this is your breakout, the target is equivalent to the size of the head from here till here. You can clearly see that this was the exact target that it made upwards. Okay, so this was the target made in some time itself, friends. Now we are again kind of bearish on this particular Bank Nifty as well. Simple reason is here there is a resistance, here again there is a resistance, and at this level there is another resistance. So will it cross this resistance in one go? The answer is absolutely not. It will take 1 or 2 times for it to break those resistances and continue its movement upwards, friends. Coming back to the buy stock for the day and the sell stock for the day. Buy stock for the day would be Tatamoters, friends. I have already done the analysis, and you can notice that Tatamoters has given a flag and a pole pattern, and the retracement levels were exactly at little above 50% from where it started moving upwards. Not first time but also second time. Second time when it started moving upwards from there, friends, it also broke a small trend line. Now those of us who are tenured traders can go ahead and create buy positions here itself. Those of us who want to play it very safe can wait for a breakout followed by a retest, and this is where you will create buy positions for a higher targets, friends. So I would suggest, if you see any dip here, go ahead and buy. That way your stop loss would be very low. Okay, that is about Tata Motors. Coming to the sell stock, That would be Adaniports, friends, a big name that I have taken today. And the reasons are simple. We can see that it has taken rejection exactly at 50% levels. Okay, from the big fall that it gave, it took its rejection at 50% levels. Second reason, if I remove the rejections, this is your, what pattern is this called? Please put it in the comments. Okay, and let's make it red this time. Why? You know right why? Because red candles are what we are expecting. Coming to the breakout has happened here, and there is a clear retest that it is doing. What would be the target? Target would be, bookish target would be this, friends, after the breakout, which also is below this low. After that, do we see any levels in the stock? The answer is no, there are no levels after that. So we would go ahead and create a exit at this levels. What are the levels? 519 levels, friends. We are talking about 100 points down. Will it happen in one day? I don't think so. We could go ahead and book profits at 570 levels, which are the swing low here, and final targets can be 541. Any target below that would be an astronomical target. If it hits, that would be a very good trade for that particular day, friends. I think that brings us at the end of the video, and in the chat I don't see any comments, so don't forget to hit that like button. As you people already know, if you don't hit that like button, the video would not be shared to a higher audience. Whenever there are more likes on a video, the video will go for a higher audience to watch. So please hit that like button so that this video will be shared to higher audience, friends. Also hit the subscribe button if you have still not subscribed to the channel, and hit that bell icon so that you would not be missing on any notification that is coming up on the channel. Thanks for watching, and as usual we would be closing with our closing music, and wish you a profitable tomorrow, friends.